Hello guys, welcome to Delhi Technology Club. Today we are going to create a mixed reality prototype using MetaQuest 3 and Unreal Engine 5. First you need to set up Unreal Engine 5, Java, Android Studio, Meta SDK on your Windows platform. Don't forget to set the environment variables properly. Please note we are using Meta SDK version 78 with Unreal Engine 5.5.4. You can get this document from my Git repository, and the Git repository link is in the description. Okay, let's create the Unreal Engine project using virtual reality template without starter content. After creating project, you need to open the plugins and enable Meta Interaction SDK plugin and Meta XR plugin and restart the editor. After restarting the editor, you need to open the Meta XR project setup tool and apply the recommended rules. Now open the project settings and in the packaging enable full rebuild. Under the target hardware, select optimize project settings for mobile and scalable. Under the platforms, select Android, and in that check package game data inside APK and orientation to landscape. Now open the Meta XR settings under the plugin section and add support for MetaQuest devices, MetaQuest 3 and MetaQuest 3S. Change hand tracking support to hands only and check Passthrough enabled. Create a new level named as MR main. Create a game mode base. Create a pawn. With a camera, left hand motion controller component, ISDK controller ring component, and ISDK hand rig component for left and right hands. Compile and save. You can find these components, or you can say this blueprint pawn from my GitHub repository, and you can use it directly. Now open the BP game mode and select this pawn to the default pawn class. Let's add directional light. Add player start. Create a desk with the cube. Now open the level blueprint and search for Passthrough subsystem. Add initialize persistent passthrough. While selecting initialize persistent passthrough, check show input pin. Now create a parameter, a variable for passthrough parameters. Now in the default values, select shape as reconstructed passthrough layer and layer placement as underlay. This is very important. Let's create an actor, grabbable cube. Add a new static mesh and make that static mesh G cube as a new root. Select a static mesh. Check simulate physics and can character step on? No. Now add ISDK grabbable component as a child of G-cube. Add grab transformer component. Please make sure to set the transform target name in the ISDK grab transformer as a static mesh name. This is very important. Let's add hard occlusions. To do that, we need to enable scene support under the project setting. We'll get that in the meta-XR settings. To make the occlusion working, you need to add the permissions. You need to use the use scene permissions. Then add start environment depth node and set XR occlusion mode to hard occlusion, and please make sure you will call stop environment depth when you are not using it. Drag and drop the grabbable cube in the level and scale its size to 0.5. Open the project settings under the map and modes. Select the default game mode and game default map. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.